It's May 1st, and you know what that means. Or perhaps you don't. After all, it's been a while since May Day, or May Basket Day, was last celebrated widely. Nowadays, springtime is often associated with occasions like Mother's Day and Easter. But years ago, May Day was celebrated with nearly the same springy hoopla on the first of the month year after year. Frankly, I'm a bit bummed that the unique and romantic holiday isn't as popular as it once was. And as soon as I tell you more about it, you'll probably feel the same. Here's the scoop. Back in the 19th and 20th centuries, people rang in the 1st of May with a particularly charming and elegant tradition. They would take flowers they had gathered at the end of April showers, arrange them in pretty paper along with gifts and candies, and hang them on the doors of friends and neighbors as a way of welcoming them into warmer weather. It was also a special way of letting a romantic prospect know that you cared for her, as gentlemen would often hang baskets on the doorknobs of the ladies they fancied, knocking on their doors before bolting away. If the lady in question caught the gentleman leaving the basket, she was then tasked with chasing him down in an effort to steal a kiss. But as charming as this all sounds, the custom could also lead to some awkward scenarios. The Taunton, Massachusetts Gazette reported in 1889 that one unfortunate fellow walked a mile and a half to present his May basket to his potential sweetheart, only to find that a basket was already there from another man. While there were the occasional romantic disappointments, though, it was mostly a day of celebrating. In fact, the way that author Louisa May Alcott describes May Basket Day in her children's book, Jack and Jill, makes it almost sound like Christmas. Such a twanging of bells and rapping of knockers, such a scampering of feet in the dark, such droll collisions as boys came racing round corners, or girls ran into one another's arms as they crept up and down steps on the sly. Such laughing, whistling, flying about of flowers, and friendly feeling. It was almost a pity that May Day did not come oftener. The May Day basket is still set out by some traditional individuals, but the custom is mostly unknown to kids today, despite the fact that it was once a very widespread practice. I think that just means we should make an effort to bring this lovely rite of passage back, not just on the 1st of May, but all the way until June.